Hey friends, if you encounter the error there was some problem installing updates in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Okay, this is the first solution. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script. Okay, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down and copy it. And then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, paste it and hit enter. Why is this important? Because this will stop all the Windows Update associated services. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the cache of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs and then it will reset WinSock and then it will finally restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.